Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video today. Yes, I'm here with the Skycat. She's on the move. All right, the Skycat's on the move, guys. Here she is in an actual campground. I don't want to show everybody's stuff. As you see, we're in an actual campground. Got her out. The new awning is looking good. The air works. We got the air conditioning going in there. It's chilling it on down. I know, I still got to do the front cap, but that's going to be a while because we've got some news. We got some stuff going on. It's a small little site, but it's good. We got that site and we can park our truck in this site. All hooked up here. The slide skis are working fantastic. Here we go. Whoop, I'm falling down the hill. And this is we got our stove. I just got it sitting there for now. We haven't put it where we want it. We've got our little patio area here. Here we go. Skycat is back in business. We've been MIA for a minute. Videos are out of order. We got the inside floor vinyl. We got to use the vinyl that we found. So when we put it widthwise, there's enough to do it. So the pattern goes widthwise versus forward to aft. So it still looks good though. So here you go. We're putting it in, trimming it up. It was very tedious to get this thing to lay in there right, but we got it. We still got to put some quarter round molding around the base of it. I got a piece for the bathroom. Once we finish with the black tank cleaning, we're gonna put that back down, which brings me to that. All right, we are setting up here at the campground. Went to Walmart. Always walk through the RV aisle at Walmart. It's usually not the best idea. I just got back from the pool, so that's why I look like I do. And, you know, there's an RV item that's hot on the market now. Everybody's raving about for your sewer hookup. I thought, man, that's pretty neat. I like the way that looks. Maybe I'll order one someday, because you have to order it. You can't get them anywhere. So I'm walking through Walmart, the RV aisle there, like I said. There on the shelf, there's like a holy grail. Big old beam of light shined down, and it was talking to me. It's that item that everybody's talking about. One of them on the shelf, all by itself. Look at that, sitting there on the shelf. So, this goes into your sewer connection and it just clamps right down. That way you don't gotta get the ring and get down on the sewer thing and screw that down in there and all the nastiness. This eliminates all that. It's a drain lock, Rhino drain lock. We're gonna put that puppy on. It's getting ready to meet head on with that pyramid. Ooh, that's another thing. So the pyramid has been marinating for 10 days with that product. And I'll show you the product because nobody else would say their product was worth it. I did a lot of research on all these products and I found a company that actually researched products. And this is the only one that's got the bacteria and the enzymes and all that in it that actually eat away at the waste. It's guaranteed. So they say 48 hours, longer the better. It's been 10 days marinating in there. And we drove around, you know, sloshing it up real good. So we're gonna hook up the sewer hose here and we're gonna open that valve and see what happens. We're gonna peek down in there and see if it's gone, how much of it's gone, what the progress is. Like I said, we don't put treatments in our tanks. We only put odor control in there. We don't put stuff to break it down because it's a holding tank. I don't need to get into all that. People argue that all day long, but anyway, I'm gonna get this thing hooked up and dump it and see what happens. All right, guys. The glare, I'm the king of it. The pyramid is gone. I'm excited. I mean, it is totally gone. And let me see, I didn't show you before, but trust me, this product is awesome. It took that whole pyramid out of the black tank. I can look down in here and I see the bottom of the tank. I dumped it and it was nasty, as to be expected. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you all and explain to you the product I used. After a lot of research, they guaranteed it and it freaking worked. that. That's the bottom of the tank right there. No pyramid. Freaking awesome. So, I'm going to show you the product that we used to get that pile out of there. It's amazing how well that worked. We'll say we did contact a few companies to step up and see if their product would work. No replies, so they must not be confident in the product they got. But I'll show you what we used. Then we decided to tackle the awning before we pulled off of our property, which we did sell. Of course, it's a rainy day, no better day to do an awning, right? This was the second awning that Megan and I have done on our campers. This camper came with a new fabric, so we decided it was time to put it on because the other one was really bad. And we knew when we moved over here to the campground that we wouldn't have the place to do it, and we didn't want to do that in the campground and cause a mess and a scene. So we got that on. Looks real nice. Keeps the rain off. Keeps the sun off. We like it. Loving our new awning fabric. So there you have it. We've got the floor done, 90%. We're going to put carpet in the bedroom. Unique is the product that cleared the black tank. It was guaranteed and it worked. No other company would step up. Now we did reach out, like I said, to a few and they didn't even respond. I guess they figured it wasn't worth it. Maybe they thought they'd be embarrassed. But Unique cleared that thing out like nobody's business. If you're looking for something to take care of your black tank clogs or pyramids, Unique has the product. It's called Clear It. I'll try to leave a description in the link below. But thank you guys for clicking on this video today and hanging out with me. I hope you watched the whole thing. Until next video, peace out.